Sizlar bilan har doimgidek himoyun. Sizlarda bugungi videomiz ham o'sha videolardan qora futbolchi olamiz to'g'ri chiqsin. To'g'ri chiqsin. Men bundan oldin bitta video oldim. O'sha bo'lgan vaqtlarimda oldim. Tashqarida boshida shuni dilga kirishini qo'ydim. Hozir YouTube'ga qo'yganimda o'chirib yubordim. Men bilan tortishmayman. Lekin o'tgangi videolarimizda tamom bomba hozirdagilar taqdim. Hop. Sizlar bilan 2 minutda ko'rishamiz. Shunday bitta. Kechiktirib qo'ymadimmi sizlar bilan? Men ozgina ishlar bor edi, shularni qilib keldim. Shu aytganimdek, bu video ham qisqaroq bo'lsin deb bu video qisqaroq bo'lishi mumkin. Balki hozir tugatishim ham mumkin. Bir o'yinga ham ammo biz agar uydagilar chaqirib qolmasa, biz ko'proq o'yin o'ynashga erisha olamiz. Xo'sh, negadir bizda Wi-Fi yaxshi chiqmayapti. Xo'sh,
45 minutes left to play
Erling.
in this vital cup game.
Topas.
A misplaced pass.
Xo'sh, agar bu videoda ham sizlar
Well read. He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
Like'larni yig'ib bersanglar,
Will they make that quick change now?
ishtasizlar. Agar menga obuna bo'lsanglar, bu kanalda zerikmaysizlar. Har kuni video chiqadi. Kecha nega chiqmadi video desanglar, hamda o'zlariga borgan zaryadka ostida qoldi. Mayli dedimda uyga borib zaryadkaga qo'yib uxlab qolgan. Shundan so'ng bilmasdan bugun Mana endigina soat
Richards.
10:52 bo'lyapti hamda biz video
They've not
olyapmiz.
been passing well and they keep
Shuncha
making
harakatda
mistakes.
bundoq
Won the ball.
qo'llagan holda menga like hamda obuna bo'lib qo'ying. Sizlarni
Elise has the ball. A golden
sizlarni zeriktirib
chance.
qo'ymasligi uchun
Took
men har kuni
his
video
chance.
chiqarmoqchiman.
That's his second goal.
Shu qilganishimni
Let's
uchun ham
take another look
like
at it.
bosib
Some
qo'ying.
great teamwork set up that goal. Good passing on display. This is Haaland. Here's the shot. He just couldn't keep it down.
Aytganimdek,
Time for
bu
a fresh
videoni
player to
ham
enter the fray.
ekan
Manager's hoping these substitutes will re-energise his flagging team.
kommentariya yozsa o'sha
An
odamga
expert tackle.
Idris Ismoilovning bitta akkaunt so'rab
Some strong
olib
tackles.
beraman.
It looks like it's going to be one of those physical games. Time for some fresh legs, maybe. The players are warming up. Tries a long shot. He's going to hit it on the volley. Goal here. You've got to admire skill like that. What a fantastic volley finish.
Assist.
Medina.
Oy.
Poor attempt to win the ball.
Yo'q, faqat golga chiqma.
An equaliser's been scored. That match looks like it's still wide open.
Sal
He's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? He should do better there.
Qanday? Aytinglarchi menga. Shu o'yin tugasa, videoni ham tugataman chunki ozgina ishlarim qolib ketdi. Sizlarni zeriktirib qo'ymay deb.
Unleashes the long shot. He went for it but missed the target. And the manager's making a change here. That was a good victory. They're through to the next round.
O'yinimiz ham tugadi va sizlar bilan hali yana ko'rishamiz. Video chiqishini kutinglar. Sizlar bilan xayrlashamiz. Xayr.